Shahrukh, also just continuing, did you miss the quintessential stretching of arms pose in the film? Because we have seen it film by film that you do it.
I think, Justin, it's oversimplification. You know, it's a thing now. As a matter of fact, I would myself play to the galleries when I'm supposed to do that. It's not something I do because that makes me or breaks me. You know, I've done it in a few films, and it's become a thing. You know, it becomes like a mannerism of an actor. If I'm told in a film, actually no director ever tells me, "ऐसा नहीं करना." Because they know मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ कि छूटते ही हाथ फैला देता हूँ मतलब क्या सेट पे आती हाय एक्शन ऐसा तो ना है मतलब so मैं ऐसा करता नहीं हूँ कभी कभार मजाक में या जैसे फारा हैं डायरेक्ट कर रही हैं शाह we'll do that as a joke we sometimes say okay we'll do it in the film and you know it's been a long time I think if a character of Rais is not meant to do it I'm not going to break out into it. I think given the parameters of commercial cinema that I act in, I still try to retain the characterization as strongly as I can, knowing the fact that the star sometimes overrules the character. But in my heart, I'm still an actor, however small, minuscule, or unimportant part as an actor in a film. So I don't give vent to कि मैं ये करूँगा अभी वो ज़रूरी नहीं होता. Fan के अंदर, it is meant to be. He's a fan of the motive of a star called Aryan Khanna, who's perhaps Shah Rukh Khan, but not necessarily in every film यार. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को हाथ बांध के रखने पड़ते हैं कि हाथ बांधे रखो वरना खोल देगा. ऐसा नहीं है.
Shahrukh sir, on your right, sir. Shahrukh sir, on your right. This is Sonal from Midday. So on your right. Here. Hi. Sir, actually you became a guest editor for one of our sections called The Guide. You know, and it was received really well. So how was the feeling like to be one of us, you know, to become an editor for a day and, you know, do what we do day in and day out?
It was very nice here. Of course, your team helped me a lot. और बहुत मज़ा आया मिड-डे का मैं टूर गाइड बना हालांकि मेरे को मुंबई के बारे में इतनी जगह नहीं मालूम है इम्तियाज़ और अनुष्का के साथ करो तो और भी अच्छी जगह बता सकते हैं and to be very frank I have done a journalism course in my mass comm तो ऐसा नहीं है मैं बिल्कुल वंचित हूँ from understanding mass communication and the job that you do. I have a huge amount of respect for it. And I say this from the bottom of my heart. I know sometimes we have to do things that we also personally don't like. But we all have to sell an idea. We have to sell a dream. So I really enjoyed it here. I wish I could do it. I used to write for a newspaper also for a bit. And I'd like to do it once again, but I take time writing. But it was really good being a journalist for an evening.
Shahrukh sir,
Anushka,
my question is to Shahrukh sir and Anushka both.
So you've worked with a lot of different directors who are known to give a flavor to romance. So what do you think is different in Imtiaz's concept of romance?
So this is what I feel. Whenever I watched his films, I think his films are, yes, they are love stories, but I don't think that the characters are aware that they're in love. In fact, I feel that there's some sort of internal travel that happens, like the soul searching, and they understand themselves a little better, and then they realize that this happened because of the existence of this other person that came into their life and elicited this feeling in them. And that's when they discover love. Usually in films, in love stories, that's what happens, right? You know that it's very obvious that there is love, or the expression of love is very obvious. In his films, it's very latent, and it builds up. So I feel we feel it with the characters, you know, and I think that's what makes his films really special and something that we all connect with. And moments that he creates in his films, which are something that, you know, we might have experienced with our own loved ones, but you don't get to see that on screen so often. So I think he has a very deep understanding of a man-woman relationship.
Anushka, hi, Shahrukh.
This is going to be the last question.
My question is to both Anushka and Shahrukh.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि हवाई सॉन्ग काफी रोमांटिक
It's going to be the last question.
Okay, let the lady say, then the boy. कहाँ है मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा. आप शुरू आप.
अनुष्का, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि हवाई सॉन्ग रोमांटिक है, शाहरुख आपके साथ थे, लेकिन क्या पर्सनली आपने रोमांटिक सॉन्ग में किसी को मिस किया?
We didn't get that. Can you repeat the last part, please?
लेकिन पर्सनली आपने कितना एंजॉय किया और किसी को मिस किया? हवाई सॉन्ग काफ़ी रोमांटिक है, आपने शाहरुख के साथ सॉन्ग किया, लेकिन पर्सनली आपने किसी को मिस किया सॉन्ग के दौरान?
Yeah, I did actually. Irshad Kamil. I wish he was here because उन्होंने कितने अच्छे lyrics लिखे हैं.
2 बार मुझे लगा भी, जब ये मुझे देख रही थी कि इरशाद भाई को देख रही थी, मुझे ऐसा फीलिंग आया. मैंने बोला तुम्हें यार, वो जब वो ऐसा एक बार उसने जो लुक दिया ऐसा करके.
शाहरुख आपसे सवाल है कि सलमान ने हाल ही में शूट किया आपकी फिल्म के सॉन्ग को, कितना स्पेशल है सॉन्ग? आनंद एल राय की फिल्म के लिए सलमान ने शूट किया, कितना स्पेशल है सॉन्ग? क्या पार्ट होने वाला सॉन्ग है या स्पेशल अपीयरेंस है जैसे आपने ट्यूबलाइट में किया था?
नहीं, उससे लंबा पोर्शन है और सलमान खान ही है फिल्म में. अभी उससे ज़्यादा अभी तो बहुत दिन है यार, साल है पिक्चर को, बट बहुत स्पेशल है और बहुत दिल से वो आए, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत खुशी मिली.
Thank you.
Okay,
I have a question.
One last question.
I have a question to Anushka and Shahrukh sir both.
no.
You know, both of you have worked with directors like Yash Chopra, Aditya Chopra, and Karan Johar, who have different language to romance. Taking that question forward, you know, when you see a Yash Chopra or any of their films, it's a love story you want to have. You know, it's an aspirational love story. Whereas Imtiaz's is one which people normally have. You know, people meet on trips and they fall in love. Do you agree with this kind of a love story and the quintessential love story, which is a little larger than life also?
I think each one of them, you're right. I think we are both very fortunate to have worked with Yash ji, Karan Johar, Adi, and then Imtiaz. And they all have a very huge bent towards romance and love and relationships more than anything else. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है, जो difference मैंने पहले भी बोला, एक तो जो essence है तीनों का, वो चारों का same है. But I think what is different with Imtiaz is कि you are watching two people interact without having too many spikes in the story, without having too many obstacle and exterior plot points. And कहीं पर मैंने आज ही इम्तियाज़ को बोला, ये जो characters हैं दिल में घर कर जाते हैं. They make a home in your house. I think it's very simple things, very normal moments. लोग बोलते हैं इम्तियाज़ की picture moments के बारे में है, moments के बारे में है. I didn't understand it till I worked with him. That is just very easy viewing, and suddenly you realize you are liking these people as much as they're liking and loving each other. So they slowly seep into your heart without obtrusively telling you a plot point or a story or कि ये दुनिया से झगड़ा करना है. उनका झगड़ा और उनका लगाव दोनों अंदरूनी है. So I find that very different. As far as the essence is concerned, I think Yash ji, of course, and Adi, Karan, Imtiaz, and every other romantic filmmaker or people who believe in relationship films does it with a lot of depth and the same essence of love being the most beautiful feeling.
Thank you everybody. And दोस्तों इतना खूबसूरत
सा in the interview that we did one on one.
Anushka is going to answer.
मैंने one-on-one interview किया था तुम्हारे साथ नयनदीप, पर यही जवाब दिया था.
Same as mine.
The same question he's asked me already once.
You know, Shahrukh, Anushka, बातें तो बहुत हो गई, but since we are all talking about romance, there's a special setup for you. We have made a surprise date for both of y'all.